Hello boys and girls. Today we are going to have a day with Monkey and see what are his daily routines. So this is the video number 1. Let's see what Monkey's doing. Hello boys and girls. So as you saw, we are going to see what does Monkey do at home, okay? Look, he's sleeping. Oi, but I think it's time to wake up. Yes? Okay, let's wake him up. Monkey, monkey. Nothing. Monkey, monkey. Boys and girls, can you help me wake him up? We do 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Monkey, okay? And then we can go ding-a-ling-a-ling, ding-a-ling-a-ling. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Monkey, wake up! Ding-a-ling-a-ling, ding-a-ling-a-ling, ding-a-ling-a-ling. Hello, boys and girls. Hello, boys and girls. Boys and girls, where are you? Where are you? Monkey, take this off. There's the boys and girls. Say good morning. Good morning, boys and girls. Good morning. Welcome to my house. I'm going to show you my daily routines. What do I do? What do I do? First, so number 1, I wake up. I wake up. Yes, Monkey, it's time to wake up. Then, Monkey, what do you do? Then I have my breakfast. I have my breakfast. Okay, so let's look and see. Monkey, what do you have for breakfast? So Monkey has his spoon, his bowl, and today, Monkey, what would you like? Would you like some cereal? No thank you. No thank you today. I don't want cereal. Okay, would you like a banana? Yes, please. I love bananas. I love bananas. Okay, Monkey, here's your banana. Now it's time to eat breakfast. I eat my breakfast. Nom 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 nom. Oi, Monkey, Monkey, Monkey. But Monkey, you can't. You have to open the banana, Monkey. Hi. So I wake up. I eat my breakfast, and now, Monkey, what do you do? What do I do? I brush my teeth. So, Monkey, he has to brush his teeth. Okay, so we have toothbrush. Here you go, Monkey. And we have the toothpaste. Okay, Monkey, I will help you. Let's get the toothpaste and let's brush my teeth. I like to brush my teeth. Open, Monkey, let's see. Are they nice and clean? Yes, my teeth are nice and clean. My teeth are nice and clean. Yes, they are, Monkey. Very good. Okay, now what, Monkey? What do you have to do? Look. I have to get dressed. I have to get dressed. Yes, Monkey, it's time to get dressed. So, this, bye-bye. And Nicola, I will help Monkey. So, Monkey, let's get your t-shirt. So, Monkey's t-shirt. Let's get dressed, Monkey. Oi, and his hands. Very good, Monkey. Okay, so Monkey is getting dressed. Oi, 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 Monkey, this t-shirt, it's too big for Monkey, but he likes it. Yes, it's my favorite t-shirt. I love this t-shirt. What color is my t-shirt? Pink? No. Blue? No. It's green and black. My t-shirt is green and black. Very good, boys and girls. Okay, so monkey, you wake up. Eat my breakfast. Then what? Monkey, he brushed his teeth and then he got dressed. Very good, monkey. Okay, then monkey, what do you like to do? Let's see what monkey likes to do. Monkey, do you like to play football? No, I don't like football. What do you do, monkey? I like to paint. I like to paint. That's right. Monkey, he likes to paint. So he's got his paintbrush and his paint. And he likes to paint. But I need to help him a little bit. Okay, monkey, say bye-bye to the boys and girls. Me and monkey, we're going to go paint. And next week, we will show you all the other activities that monkey likes to do. Would you like that? Yes? Okay, boys and girls, thank you for coming to my house. Okay, boys and girls, see you next week. We gotta go painting, monkey, don't we? On your nose, no, monkey. Oi, oi, oi.